Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be playing with marbles.
Marbles.
Okay, so now I'm going to count the marbles. And 27. So it's 27. And these two light up. So when you want them to light up, just smash them to the ground and they light up. Okay, now I put this on the bottom here and that, which you just saw. And now I'm going to put a bunch of my marbles in. And now we're going to build, so stay tuned. Let's go!
All right.
So first I'm going to have the base here. So when this will go out. And
you got the base there.
Into the base. And then I want to build, and then I want to have another base.
Oh wow, you're gonna have two bases?
And I want to have another base. This one is not meant for, it's a base to hold it up. So I'm gonna start on this one.
Okay.
This one. And this one. Now I'm gonna start building the top. Okay. So now that it's equal, it's gonna be going down to here. And I'm just gonna put one more right here so it can be equal. And now I'm gonna put this on here. Oh, it's backwards. It's backwards. Sorry. It goes like that.
All right, Corbin, let's test out the track that you made.
I'm going to. Spaces for holding them. It looked when he was on top.
Yeah, and it went down into the base.
And now we're gonna keep building up.
All right, Corbin's gonna start building again.
But before we build, I didn't mention this in the video, but this connector comes in the base. So when you have it here, see the hole in there? Just put either side in the hole, and then just snap it in, and then you put it in the other hole, and just snap it in. And then it goes like that.
Cool.
And now we're gonna keep building. And I'm actually gonna use another base. Boom.
All right, we're gonna test this one out.
Yeah, we're gonna test this one out. First, I'm gonna grab my funnel and put it on here, and then I'm gonna grab a bunch of my marbles here.
Okay.
See? And I'm going to
Whoa.
wait, the red one lighted up in there.
Yeah, it lit up?
Yeah, it lit up.
All right.
Okay, now we're gonna keep building up. Well, so let's see what I still want here.
Okay. All right, you building up?
Yeah, I want it to be just like how I have it. Building up. And you put this here and then snap it in. And then I just have to do this. And then I just have to do this.
All right, Corbin's gonna test this out.
Okay, and That's my marble race.
All right.
We're not gonna do any more to it. It's fine now.
All right.
Okay, so first, if you want to build what I built, just follow mine. If you want to build what I built, just follow my directions. If you test everything out and everything's okay, you're okay with your marble race. And there we go. And also, one quick trick. Look, it goes here. I have something to show you guys. Look. And also sometimes you get stuck down here. Whoa, whoa. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.